Hello YouTube, welcome to Big Explore. Today's video is especially for Morse code learners. One of the major problems that I faced during learning Morse code is to generate random alphabets. Though there are a lot of softwares and websites and apps available on internet, I wish to make my own. So let's get into the video. If you are learning Morse code, one of the major problems while practicing Morse code you face is to generate random alphabets or something, some digits or some punctuations. So I made my own program using Python. I had given you three programs, which was described as Morse 1, Morse 2, and Morse 3, which depends upon your level. So in the Morse 1, you can get only alphabets. I'm running this program now. Sorry. Okay, done. I have to change my directory. To the program. Okay, done. Now I am running the first program, which is Morse 1. So you can see here that it generates some random alphabets for every 2 seconds. If you are okay with 2 seconds, then you can go with this. Or if you want to make seconds more faster, just simply alter the time in the seconds of sleep. So if you want to change the alphabets for every 1 second, just type 1, just save the program and run it once again. So each seconds it gives you new alphabets. If you want more faster, just simply change that 1 into 0.5, which means for every second it gives you 2 alphabets. So once again, I'm running this program. So you can see every seconds it gives you 2 alphabets. So you can type these alphabets with your mouse key. The second program, it generates both alphabets and digits, where I can see now. 2 dot. So you can see here that it generates both digits and alphabets. And this is seconds of your systems. For every second, for every minute, it comes from 0, which means it restarts. Okay, done. So it gives alternate of both alphabets and digits. In the code 3, you get both alphabets digits as well as punctuation marks. Okay, it starts with punctuation marks. You can type with your Morse code key. It also shows your alphabets and digits too. Hope these programs are useful to you, and follow my channel for more techniques and tools for learning Morse code.